Are you tired of waiting until the end of a project to get paid? Progress billing in QuickBooks Online can change that. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up and use it, so you can bill your clients step by step as the work gets done. Whether you're in construction, design, or any project-based business, this guide will make your cash flow smoother and your billing more professional. Let's dive in. Progress billing allows you to invoice your clients for partial payments throughout a project instead of sending one big invoice at the end. This is especially helpful when projects take weeks or months to complete, as it helps you maintain a steady cash flow. Here's how to do it in QuickBooks Online. First, make sure progress invoicing is turned on. Go to Settings, select Account and Settings, then click the Sales tab. Under the Progress Invoicing section, turn it on and save your changes. Next, create an estimate for your project. Go to Plus New, select Estimate, and fill out all the details, including your customer, project description, and the full project cost. This estimate will act as the base for your progress billing. Once your estimate is ready, you can start creating progress invoices. Open the estimate and select Create Invoice. Here, QuickBooks gives you three options: invoice the entire amount, a percentage of the estimate, or custom amounts for each line item. For example, if you've completed 30% of the project, select the percentage option and enter 30%. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the invoice amount based on that percentage. Send the invoice to your client as usual. Each time you complete another phase of the project, repeat this process until the entire project is billed and paid. The best part? QuickBooks keeps track of how much you've invoiced and what remains, so you'll never lose track of your progress or overcharge your client. And that's how easy it is to do progress billing in QuickBooks Online. By using this feature, you'll improve your cash flow, keep your projects organized, and maintain better client relationships. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and share this with anyone who could benefit from smoother invoicing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.